shots, center of mass. Ready? Fire.
No light.
No light.
No light. These will be lightless.
Whoever that is down on the end. Last two. Last two. Ready? Fire. How can you tell who it is?
She can't. She just knows what he looks like.
I followed him up here. I actually
All
got a
right,
couple.
listen up. Knock off the bullshit and listen to me.
I can try that.
Listen to me. Is the line safe? All guns are away. Let's go forward and look at the target.
Well, I don't complain about that in the dark.
I'll take that for body index sheet in this whole thing.
A little to the left, but I have abysmal night vision.
Wow, kind of hit a target when you can't see it, huh?
Yeah.
The whole point of the drill, guys. Don't say anything, the TV camera's on.
It's off right now. Oh, no.